And now we're going to see the Crystal Mountain. We're just going again off the road. So, you see the crystals on the rocks? They're basically barite and calcium carbonate. See the reflection? I don't know whether you can actually see it. The reflection on the sunlight. Now you can see the crystals on the rocks. The whole rock actually is a cluster of crystals, which is why this place is called Crystal Mountain. As I said, it's salts of barite and calcium carbonate. And they reflect on the sun. Crystal Mountain again, that's another view. A couple of kilometers further down. I'm going to show you an interesting rock which is like a stalactite or stalagmite, please, so that we can see this. It's quite a phenomenal. You expect to see this in caves, but not in the desert. This type of formation.